Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this placemat made of this flower and join together. So I'm going to show you how to make it and also how to join. So let's get started. For this project I'm going to start with a slip knot, chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then go into the very first one and do a slip stitch like this. So you've got this ring, and I'm going to do chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and then yarn over, go into the ring and do a half double crochet, and then chain 1 and again half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet, continue until you've got 11 half double crochet, and this chain 3, the two first chain is half double crochet, and the third chain is the chain in between. As you can see, I'm doing one extra chain in between the stitches. So chain 1 and continue until you've got total of 12, counting the chain 2, so I've got total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10 11 and 12, and then chain 1, and to finish off I'm gonna slip stitch into the chain 2. So find the chain 2 and slip stitch, and that's it. The first round is done, and for the second round what I'm going to do is go into the next chain 1 space, which is here, and do a single crochet like this, and then I'm going to do chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and starting from the second chain from hook, so the second one, I'm going to do 5 single crochet. So go into the second one and do 1 single crochet, then go into the next 2, into the next 3, and then 4, and the last one is here, it's 5. So I did chain 6 and then 5 single crochet, and now to continue what I'm going to do is single crochet into the next chain 1 space, which is here, and that's done. And I'm going to continue like this. I'm going to go into the next chain 1 space and do again another single crochet, and do the same thing, which is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chains. Starting from the second one, do 1 single crochet, 1 2 So after the 5 single crochet, I'm going to repeat the pattern, which is go into the next chain 1 space and do a single crochet, and you can see now I've got 2 petals, one here and one here, and I'm going to continue like this until I've got total of 6. So go into the next and do 1 single crochet. So in between the petals I've got 2 single crochet, so each time you'll need to do 2 single crochet. So one I've done and the second one is done, and then do the chain 6, 3 4 5 and 6, and then go into the second one and start from there, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then continue 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, I've completed the 6 petals, and now need to slip stitch into the very first single crochet, which is here. I'm gonna go into, I've already cut the yarn, so it's pretty small, and slip stitch like this. And what I'm gonna do is chain 1, and you can secure this one, you don't need any more this color. And then it's time to join the new yarn and choose your color. I'm gonna go for this red, and I'm gonna slip knot and join it. So where I'm gonna join is, this is the single crochet, the first one, so I'm gonna go into the next. So here is the 5 single crochet. I'm gonna go into the very first one, and I'm gonna work into the back. So there's a back loop of this single crochet. I'm gonna go and join over there, so like this, join, and to secure, first do a chain and then do a single crochet like this, and then go into the next, and into the second one I'm going to do 1/2 double crochet, and then the next one again 1/2 double crochet, and the fourth one is going to be 2 double crochet, 1, and go into the same, do another one, 2, and then go into the fifth one and do 3 double crochet. So one, oops, I've got here a knot, one, and then 2 and 3, and that's done. So I need to repeat this side onto that side as well. So I'm gonna go around and work in the first here in the single crochet and yarn over and do 3 single crochet into the first one. So I'm gonna go and do 1, 2 and 3, and then go into the next and do 2, 1 and 2, and then go into the next 2 and do 1/2 double crochet into each. So it's going to be 1, and then oops, another 1/2 double crochet, and to finish off a single crochet into the last one. So the petal is done. So I need to repeat this pattern in all of these petals, and I'm gonna move into the next one. So skip this 2 single crochet in between, go into the very first single crochet, which is the back. Again you need to work into the back and repeat the pattern, which is a single crochet and then 2 1/2 double crochet, one, 2, and then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and then 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and then into the other side I'm going to go into the very first single crochet and do 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then 1/2 double crochet next to 1 and 2, and then single crochet, and skip these 2 single crochet and go into the next and start again the pattern, which is starting with the single crochet and repeating the pattern. So we've got 1 here and second one, and continue until you've got 6. And to finish off the flower, what you need to do is slip stitch into the very first single crochet, chain 1 and fasten off. So now it's time to join them. It's up to you which method you want to follow, but my way is using this needle and thread of same color, which is red. And what I'm going to do is, suppose I want to join these 2 petals and these 2, so parallel like this. So what I'm going to do is take this one, go into the back, and first I'm going to check how many I need to join. So for example, here 2 stitches over these 2. So go into the back and go into the stitch like this and secure the yarn first, the thread first. So you go on, so you've got this much thread left, and go again into the same spot, and when you're halfway like this, take the thread, go around the needle twice and get the needle back, and don't get stuck, because that's it. So the thread is now secured, and now I'm going to join. So it's just a way to do it. So getting it onto the top, go into the stitch, and then go on to the other side like this, and then go backward again. So I'm gonna go into the next stitch. Let me show you properly, and then go into the next here. So this bit is done, so I'm not going to do any more stitches. And what I'm going to do now is, so now I'm going to join these two. So how I'm going to get the thread from here to here, this is the trick. So what I'm going to do, go into the next stitch, go into the next like this, both of them, get the thread on the other side, and so go in between the stitches like this. So I'm in the middle, going in through the stitch. So to the other side it will look like this, you can see. And I'm gonna travel all the way and get the thread, yeah, like this, and then again onto the other side. And then again continue until you are into the top two, into these ones, and that's it. So you're on the other side now, and you can join these two bits together. So first check which two stitches you're gonna join, and then join. It could be a little bit hard, but this is one of the way to join. And now I'm onto this side. I'm gonna join, going through the stitches two or three times, whatever you want, and one, then go again, one and two, like this. So I'm gonna go again to the bottom, and and like this you're going to join all the flowers. So you can stop here and secure it and then again join it, or you can travel all the way and join each of the bit. So that's it. That's how the joining looks like. It's not visible at all, so it will look like the two flowers are together like this. It will look like this. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.